Hello dudes and welcome back. This video is going to be a 4 versus 1. We will compare the speeds of our 4 supercars versus one single fighter jet. Isn't that amazing? Let's begin the show then. So these are all cars that are going to fight with the jet. Let's see who will win in this intense competition. Dudes, look, the car just exploded. Anyways, our first car will be the PXL Racer. Let's see if PXL Racer is fast enough to beat a fighter jet. It's very tough to drive in this heavy traffic. We're almost there. It took 13.05 seconds to finish the track with PXL Racer. Let's check the performance of Buggy Chiron now. Huge Buggy Chiron is the fastest car in the game. What do you dudes think? The fighter jet will lose. It took 12.7 seconds to finish the track with Buggy Chiron. Oh my god, it was so fast that the car just passed through the wall. Let's check what the Formula 1 will do now. The Formula 1 is as confident as usual. Let's see if it can compete with others. It took 13.97 seconds to finish the track with Formula 1. But the car interfered in between, so let's try it again. This time it's going a little faster. Even the NPCs are not a problem this time. It took 13.44 seconds to finish the track without any problem. Did you'd see that? There was 0.53 seconds difference. It's time for the sheepborghini now. It's the other sheepborghini, means its gen is different. It seems a little bit slow. It's good for us that there are less PNCNs now. It took 15.53 seconds to finish the track with sheepborghini. It's time for the final boss now. Yes, it's time for the fighter jet. The best thing is the PNCNs will not be a problem anymore, because we are flying now. I thought it would be over within a few seconds. It took 13.70 seconds to finish the track with the fighter jet. Lol, he's celebrating like he won the race. But still, he's the king of the skies. Let's fly this from the bridge again. I hope it will not crash. Of course, we're the best pilot in the whole town. That was amazing, isn't it? PXL Racer is going very fast now. We all know what this car can do with Nitro. It took 11.60 seconds with Nitro to finish the track with PXL Racer. Let's see what will Buggy Chiron do. But before that, let's fix our PXL Racer. Now it's even in the worst condition. Look at its tire. The tire is almost coming out of the car. Now I will have to PXL Racer. Yes, it is the glitch with this car. Let's check the speed with Buggy Chiron. Buggy Chiron is going very fast. All the PNCNs are scared and not coming in his way. Buggy Chiron took 10.78 seconds to finish the track with Nitrous. Who do you think will win this one? Comment your thoughts below. Buggy Chiron crashed at high speed, still no damage. It's time for Formula 1 and sheepborghini now. The Formula 1 looks like a very light and weight car. Is that another reason for its higher speed? We have to research on it deeply. It took 13.64 seconds with Nitrous to finish the track with Formula 1. Oh my god, even the Formula 1 crossed the wall. Will the sheepborghini do the same? Let's check it out. I just repaired the sheepborghini and its color changed. The sheepborghini is trying its best, but still it is going very slow. The sheepborghini took 13.57 seconds to finish the track. Did you guys see that? How did the sheepborghini come across the wall? It's time to max upgrade these cars for final results. Let's see who will win now. The max upgraded car's speed also gets boosted. It took 11.82 seconds to finish the track with PXL Racer. Will the Buggy Chiron do it in less time? Let's find out. All the PNCNs are coming this way. I just missed a flying truck. Buggy Chiron is going very fast. It took 11.17 seconds to finish the track with Buggy Chiron. Its front tire is broken. It looks like the Formula 1 is going faster. It is going faster. It took 10.91 seconds to finish the track with Formula 1. Formula 1 just beat the time of the Buggy Chiron. The timer started only when the sheepborghini entered the track. These NPCs are doing anything. It took 12.7 seconds to finish the track with sheepborghini. It's time to score them.